Hey guys, it's Tanbir. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Be sure watch the video till the end and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. First go to your Instagram account and then click bottom right hand corner in the skin and press your profile photo, and after that go to the three lines in the upper right hand corner and then click settings and privacy, and after that click account center and click personal details and go to account ownership and control and then click deactivation or deletion and then select your Instagram account. Deactivate means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging in to your Instagram account. And delete means your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you'd just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So I am select deactivating your account and press continue and enter your Instagram password and then press continue and select any reason and then continue and click deactivate account. When you click deactivate account, it's temporarily deactivate your account. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.